Welcome. I'm Amy Carlson, Legislative Fiscal Analyst and Director of the Legislative Fiscal Division. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the Fiscal Division, and then I'm going to show you how to access some of our materials online so you can get started understanding the budget. Finally, I'll talk about the new electronic tool that we have for the entire branch so that you can stay better connected to staff and each other regardless of where you are, whether you're in the Capitol or outside the Capitol. The Legislative Fiscal Division is all about money and data. We also tend to be very forward-looking. While we may look to the past to try to see what is going to happen in the future, our ultimate goal is to talk about what's going to happen in the future. So some specific types of questions we get are, what is the revenue likely to be in the future? And what authorizations for spending or appropriations might the legislature want to consider? So here's our kind of overall set. We do revenue analysis. We'll report to the Revenue Interim Committee during the interim, and we'll report to House and Senate tax during the session on what revenues they might anticipate in the future. Secondly, we do expenditure and budget analysis. We'll staff the subcommittees and appropriation committees, and prior to that, we'll prepare a budget analysis in advance of session so that those committees can get started right away. We'll do general fund analysis and reporting. We do a general fund status sheet mid through session through the end of session. And during that time, we'll track fiscal notes and incorporate those fiscal note implications into the general fund status sheet. Finally, we'll do additional analysis at the request of legislators, whether it's leadership for their caucuses or other analysis, or individual legislators as they have questions about state finance. So if you want to get started researching budget and revenue information, we've got this icon on the Legislative homepage, where if you push that button, you get to the Legislative Fiscal Division homepage. There you'll find a variety of information from data visualizations of the budget and finance to training materials to help you understand revenue and budget things better. So at the top of the Fiscal Division homepage, you'll see this icon with the state of Montana and the little banner behind it. That icon, if you push on that icon, it will lead you to this page. This is a new feature that we are just experimenting with this session, and it tries to aggregate all the information, whether it's budget or legal or research, into one location so that legislators can find it easily. So if you click on select an agency, choose your agency, you'll find a wide range of information from org charts to legal authorizations. What are the bills that are related to that agency at this point in time? What interim studies have been done? What audits have been done? All of that information will be in one place for you in this spot. I'll forewarn you that this isn't fully complete yet. It won't be complete until the start of session, but we'll be adding more and more information from now till the start of session in order so that you have a complete set of information to start session. Finally, as promised, some information on Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is our new collaboration and communication tool brought to us through OLIS, or our IT department. They'll be reaching out to every legislator to get them on Teams and up and running from November 20th to about December 11th. We feel it'll be an excellent opportunity for informal conversations between legislators and various staff. There'll be channels for committees and subcommittees. There'll be chats for one-on-one discussions. There'll be an embedded list for all staff and legislators so you can easily reach out to each other. And then finally, there'll be video calls that any legislator or staff can initiate between each other so that we can stay in communication and really keep up with what's happening. I hope you enjoy it. We found it very useful. However you choose to reach out to us, whether it's Teams or a phone call or email, all of those work. Your staff, your whole staff is here to help you, from fiscal to researchers to legal, the IT staff, and audit. We're all here to help the legislature serve the citizens of Montana in the best capacity possible. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with you.